Hi, I have a fun workout for you today. For our class, you are going to need a water bottle or Gatorade bottle or some kind of plastic bottle about halfway full of liquid. Preferably water in it, just in case it spills. It shouldn't. So go ahead and pause this, get your needed supply. You're also going to need to use some sort of table or chair or ottoman to put this on for our accuracy segment of class. Go ahead and restart this whenever you have your needed supplies. Okay, we are going to get started with my least favorite game in the world, and that is bottle flipping. So basically, the goal is to flip. Middle schoolers know this game so well, but if you're not in middle school, I'll teach you how. So basically, you are gonna flip this bottle, and the goal is to try and get it to land standing up. So you're gonna flip it. You can't see, but it landed laying down. I'm gonna scoot back for my second attempt. Okay, so if it falls, and it doesn't land standing up, you need to do 3 burpees. Most of you know what a burpee is. Just in case you don't, you're gonna squat down, thrust out into a push-up position. Do 1 good push-up, squat back in, and jump up, and that's 1. You're gonna do 3 for every time you lose a bottle flip. I'm gonna try again. Flip. 3 more burpees. If you get that bottle to land standing straight up, you only have to do 1 burpee instead of 3. I want you to do 10 tosses. So there is a possibility you could do up to 30 burpees. But if your luck is good, it'll be less. Okay, you're gonna play that game, and then we're gonna move on to our form section. So pause is needed, and then move on. You are going to do your form, and then we are going to do some front kicks. So this is where you will need a chair, a table, ottoman, something that you can kick your water bottle off of. We're gonna be in a back stance today. We're gonna be practicing our number 1 front kicks. Remember, those are the fastest kind for sparring. We'll keep our hands up in guard position. You're gonna lift your knee up to chamber that front kick out. I'm used to doing it with an empty bottle where it goes flying a little bit more. And you're gonna do 10 number 1 front kicks. With that, if it goes flying, run, go get it, hustle back, because that is part of your exercise. 10 on one side, 10 on the other side, and then go back and do your form again. You're gonna repeat that 3 times. So form, 10 front kicks with each leg for accuracy, hitting that water bottle, and repeat 3 times. After that, we are going to do our plank pull-throughs. For this, you are going to use your water bottle again. You're going to set it down to the side of you. You'll go into a plank position, the top of a push-up, making sure that your joints are stacked. Shoulders on top of elbows, elbows on top of wrists. You are going to reach one hand through, pick up that water bottle, move it to the side, and switch sides. And we're going to try and keep our hips from rocking or our body from shifting too much. 20 plank pull-throughs. Only go down or stop to rest if you absolutely have to. Try and get through all 20 of those without stopping. And now we're going to move on to our technique of the day. We're going to work on a spin side kick. So from that back stance, feet are L-shaped, hands in guard position. You are going to twist over your back shoulder, turn, look, pick up that back leg, chamber, shoulder, hip, heel in a line, and kick out. And that was a super slow spin side kick. Turning over our back shoulder, spin side kick, 10 times on one side, 10 on the other side. And if you want to alternate back and forth, that might help you from getting dizzy. Also, if you are turning your head first and looking, that will also help you from getting dizzy. After that, we're going to turn it into a little bit more of a realistic sparring combination. So we are going to do side kick, spin, side kick, followed with 2 jabs. So that front hand is gonna punch twice. And then you are already set up with that other foot in front to do the next one. Side kick, spin, side kick, jab, jab. And we're gonna do 20 of that sparring combination. Try and stay light on your feet, up on the balls of your toes, balls of your feet. And we are gonna finish our class with a plank. Hold a plank for 90 seconds. 1.5 minute plank, set a timer, see if you can hold it that whole time. If you have to go down, then I want you to do push-ups until the timer goes off. So really try and hold that plank the best that you can. After your regular plank, we are gonna do a side plank. On that side plank, you're gonna be on one elbow and you're gonna lift your hips up. And you're gonna hold a side plank for 1 minute on one side and then switch sides. After the timer goes off, 1 minute on the other side. When you're done with this, reply to our email or text us or take a picture and post it on social media and tag us in it so we can make sure that we're giving you class credit, and also because we miss your faces.